I'll discuss about one funnel away challenge because there are a lot of curiosity going on about OFA. People know about OFA, some people do not know. Even some people joined OFA, but they do not know what to do after OFA or even during OFA. So we'll discuss those things. Along with that, we are going to discuss about the offers which you will get in OFA, and we will also discuss about how this OFA will look like inside your Facebook group. And at last, I will give you my irresistible offer, and we will discuss about the offers which you will get inside the OFA also. So the person who does not know about OFA, it is a very new for them. So I thought like I'll discuss this in today's video about one funnel away challenge. So people know about, they have heard about OFA. So basically OFA is a 30 days online program where you will learn how you can create sales funnel for your business, right? So what is sales funnel? Sales funnel, basically you can say it's kind of method where you convert your prospects into the leads and then the conversion, and finally one person, like if they are cold audience or they are just a prospect, you convert them into your into your leads, and they will buy your lowest product, and later on by funneling they will buy your highest product and they will become your permanent customer. So this is how, this is what we are learning in these 30 days of one funnel away challenge. Along with that, see, many people do not know like this OFA is for whom, because they only think this OFA is only for earning money or only for entrepreneurs. So basically, one funnel away challenge is definitely for all the entrepreneurs who have small businesses they are running. Or so apart from this, it is also for the people or the entrepreneurs who are planning for new business, because as of now most of the things are online, and if they want to grow their business online, this OFA is must for them, because in OFA we will learn a lot of things about growing business, about the mindset. So these are the two categories: one who are already an entrepreneurs and they have their business set up offline or online, and second one is if someone is planning for the online business. Third category will be affiliate marketers. So some people are new into the affiliate marketing, so this product is best for them. There are certain reasons for that, because this product has value. You will get it in $100, right? And you will get a lot of values inside this one funnel away challenge, that is more worth more than $3,000. And if you are promoting this one funnel away challenge, and if someone joins using your link, you will get your 100% commission. So they like ClickFunnels or OFA does not keep the commission or anything out of that $100. So they are giving back to its affiliates that $100 back, right? So this is the reason this product is good for affiliate marketers. And I have seen many other products or many other challenges or other things in affiliate marketing, but I have never come across any other product than this OFA, because here you will get a lot of values. So now we'll discuss what are the things you will learn inside the OFA. First thing, you will learn about the business mindset, how you think as a businessman or businesswoman or an entrepreneur. You will learn in these 30 days, because Russell Brunson is a gem, and he teaches us a lot of things inside these FB group or inside these sessions, right? You will learn about the customer psychology, how customer thinks, and what are the things you need to think when you are planning for your product. What are the offer you can give with your product. So you will learn how you can create irresistible offers. You will learn how you can improve the perceived value of your products, right? So these are the things you will learn in one funnel away challenge. Apart from that, you will also learn how you can create your sales letter, because sales letter is something which will be the first thing your customer or your prospect will see. And if it is it is good, or if it is attractive, it is irresistible, then definitely your sale will grow up, right? You will see many stories. You will hear many stories from Russell Brunson, how a normal entrepreneur, they become the multi-millionaire by using the funnels, by using their concepts. So these are the things you will be learning inside the one funnel away challenge. Okay, so I'll show you how this one funnel away challenge look like inside your Facebook group. So this is my Facebook account, and I have joined, as I said, like I have joined the OFA like on 3rd of May. So once you join one funnel away challenge, you will get this you will get the access of that group. You will be getting inside the group, and inside that group you will see many members, like here I could see like 726 members join along with me in that OFA challenge of May 3rd batch. So this is how you will be inside that one for OFA group, and here the dates will be mentioned. And now you will see these things. First important thing will be the guide section. So in the guide section, you will see all the videos, one a day by day videos, because every day inside that one funnel away challenge, every day there will be a session from Russell Brunson or from a guest speaker, whoever is coming to the show or to the session. So it will be depending on like it may be like 40-minute session or maybe 1 hour long session. So here, once your day is complete, suppose you are on day number 2 or day number 3, once it is completed live, they will upload that particular video inside this Facebook group. So suppose so you can see like every week I have videos. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6 and 7. So every Saturdays and Sunday we will have that weekend in that one funnel away challenge. And you can see like every week video. So 1, 2, 6, 7, then second week, then third week, then fourth week. So all the videos are uploaded. So you can see like this video is like 53 minutes long, right? So when this when if you are joining live, then it is good. And if you don't have time to join the live that session, you can see the recorded session later on, right? So everything will be provided inside this group. Okay, so the first thing, you will get day by day video, you will get all the recordings. Other than that, you can see there is a kind of here is implementation call. So whenever you are joining one funnel away challenge, one thing you will get this session. So after this session, whatever they are telling in this session, we will discuss those things about the about those things with the mentors or the coaches. So there are coaches every day, they are coming live for 2 hours, and they will discuss about the problems you are facing. So suppose because it happens like when you are new to OFA, you just join you just attend day 1, day 2, day 3, and you are overwhelmed because there are a lot of information inside the OFA and you were not prepared for that. You just thought like OFA, someone will give session and that's it. But you need to do assignment as well if you really want to grow with OFA. So once you do assignment, you will have a lot of problems. Suppose some people do not know like who is my dream customer. Okay, what are their results, how I can portray that thing inside my sales letter, and what are the offers I can provide, what will be the step-by-step process. So for everything we have, I mean, they have session every day for 2 hours, where this Ali is this he is a coach, and Morag you will see, Lee you will see. So these people are the coaches, and they have many years of experience. They have solved many problems from the entrepreneurs. One more thing you will get inside this group is that, suppose if you join the Facebook, if you join this implementation call, then it is good. Or if you do not, if you are not able to join, you can again see the replays. But the good thing is, when you are joining or when you are watching those 2 hours long video, you will understand how other entrepreneurs are thinking, what are their businesses and what problems they are getting, and how these coaches are solving those problems. So that is very, very important, because sometimes you get idea out of whatever they are teaching us, whatever other people are discussing. Okay, so these two things you will get inside the Facebook group. Other than that, there will be mission control. So there will be 4-week mission control. So here basically you can discuss about any problem, anything. So you can see like here you say like week 1 questions go here. So if you have any questions, again you can put your comments in the comment section, and they will answer your queries, right? So these 3 things. Apart from that, there will be tech talk. So you can, again, if you have any technical question, if you are facing difficulty in plugins or anything in ClickFunnels. So this is what you will get inside that one funnel away challenge. So these are too much of value. So sometimes you become, you got overwhelmed by those sessions or by those things. So you have everything ready for you to grab all those knowledge, right? So this is how the Facebook group look like. I have created many videos about one funnel away challenge, like one day by day what you are learning in one funnel away challenge. So if you have not watched those videos, you can go to my link in the bio, and there is my YouTube channel. You can go to YouTube channel and you can watch those videos. Okay. So apart from that, there are some important things which I wanted to discuss. See, when you join one funnel away challenge, you will get these offers, and offers are worth $3,126, right? So you can say like I have shown you a 30 days video coaching which you get from OFA. It is the value is $997. Again, implementation coaching which I have shown you 2 hours every day, it is $997. One pager, let me show you one pager. So basically, one pager is something whenever there is a day completion. So suppose this one, suppose in day number 4, or every day whenever they are live after the call, you will see this one pager. So if I click on this one pager, you will see all the things which they have discussed on that particular day. So here Rachel discussed about AMC formula. So here this is the one pager, this is the assignment. So these are the things you need to do for that particular day. You need to name your page, you need to wear your reader's message, parts of post. Those are the things which are the homework, you can say. And you will see one video of Russell Brunson inside that page, inside that one pager, and Russell Brunson also completes all those things along with you. So in this video you will see all those 1 2 3 part, whatever it is there in the homework, you will get everything inside that. Russell Brunson is doing the same thing, so you will feel connected. Okay, like someone is also doing, so you can model them, you can model him, and you can learn a lot. There are different videos here, like Jim Edwards, and many videos you will find which are very, very important, and you must watch when you join one funnel away challenge. Okay, so yeah, so this is about this one pager and 30 days access to OFA challenge Facebook group, which I have already shown you. You will get some ebook, some interviews access, so and some 2 comma club behind the scenes. So these all are very, very important. If you join OFA, please, when you get time, do watch them, because inside those there are different, there are many stories of successful people who have joined OFA and they were nothing, and after joining and after implementing the learnings, they are now earning multi-million, they are earning $1 million, right? So this is all you will get inside the one funnel away challenge as a bonus. Now, as you know that you need to pay only $100 for one funnel away challenge. That's not new. Okay, so this is very important, because sometimes you join one funnel away challenge and you don't have any idea what to do, what not to do. So this is why I have I am sharing this slide. So what are the do's for OFA challenge? If you are joining OFA challenge, the most important thing is you need to join the live sessions and the calls as much as possible, because if you join the live session, you will feel connected, because once you see the recorded session, the view is different. When you join the live, it will feel more connected. And also the implementation call, 2 hours call, I have already explained why you need to join these 2 hours call. And most important thing, complete all the assignment on time. Do not procrastinate, because sometimes people say, okay, this is only day 1, this is only day 2, so I will join later, I will do later. So sometimes it creates a stack, and you never complete your assignment. This is very, very important. You need to complete your assignment day by day. And one more thing, when you are joining OFA, just before 5 day, like suppose if you are joining OFA on 30th of particular month, then you will have 5 days before, like from 25 to 30th, they will give one 5-day lead challenge. So this is also important. You will learn a lot of things from those 5 days also. So please, if you are planning to buy OFA, buy just 5 days prior to that particular end date. or the start date, right? So that you will get that 5 days time to complete the assignment of that lead day challenge, lead magnet or lead challenge, 5 days lead challenge. Okay. And yes, in third thing is, when you are going to OFA, just create an avatar of your client, your dream client, because this will be the first and foremost thing you will be asked, or you will be required while joining OFA, that who is your dream customer. So if you do not think about, if you haven't think of or thought about your dream customer till now, please think about it, and then only join One Funnel Away challenge. And again, think about the end result your client wants, right? And you need to think about these steps you need to follow to get that result. Okay. And watch all those videos in one pager, because they are super important. And ask as much as you can in implementation call, because they are free to, they are open to, even answer your simplest query. So do not hesitate, just ask whatever problem you are facing, whatever your niche, at which level you are, you can definitely, you can ask any questions to them, and they will very keen to answer those questions. And as I said, start your online business. If you don't have any as of now, be focused and build your network. So guys, whenever you are joining OFA, you will get a lot of members inside that group. So you have seen like 726 members were there inside my group on 3rd May. So you can also, you can create your connection, you can create your network, because you will see many people who have a big businesses there, and you can model their things, you can talk to them, you can build a good relation with them. So there will be people from across the world, so it will be a good connection maker also. The thing what you need, what you should not do inside the OFA challenge, as I said, like, do not procrastinate, like, okay, I'll do homework tomorrow, I'll do day after tomorrow, or I will do in weekend. So this is the most you can say, like, reason for all the people, like, I'll do this in weekend. But when you reach in the weekend, there will be a lot of things you will do, and you sometimes you miss the homework and you lose the interest. The most important thing, people lose the interest because they do not follow that every day by day. Okay, do not spam community members, just do not just say hi to everyone, or spamming. You understand what spamming is, right? And do not leave OFA challenge in between, complete it by anyhow. And what more, the most important thing is, I know that I am saying most important many times, but everything is important in this video, whatever I am telling you. So do not sign up that ClickFunnels till end of 2 weeks. I have done that mistake. Please do not do that. Whenever you are joining One Funnel Away challenge, they will, you will see somewhere like click here for 14 days free trial. So once you click on 14 days free trial, your trial will start. From that day, you need to enter your credit card information. So till 14 days, it will be free. And then after that, you need to pay either $99 or $297, right? So so starting the week 1 or week 2, you literally do not need that account, that ClickFunnels account. You actually need it after 15 or second week. So once you start using it, your access will be gone if you sign up for too early. So suppose if you are going to OFA and you just out of curiosity you join that ClickFunnels subscription, and when it is actually needed, you will not have access, or you need to pay for that. So be aware, join this 14 days trial after 2 weeks. Okay. And don't be lazy during the session, please focus. And because there are different things, there are different stories, there are different ideas Russell Brunson or their guest will share. So please do not be lazy during the session, and do not post promotional link in FB group. Of course, if you do this, you will be banned, right? So these are the things I wanted to discuss about One Funnel Away challenge today. And the last thing what I wanted to say, like, what are my offers? So guys, you have seen many offers inside, if someone is promoting One Funnel Away challenge, they are giving too many offers. So I am also giving offers, so you will feel like you are getting this One Funnel Away challenge free of cost, right? I have invested more than $1,000 in my learning, and I'm still investing in my learning. So this is important, with whom you are joining your OFA, because if you join something, not only OFA, if you join your mentorship, who with the people, if you are hiring your mentor who is around 10 step ahead than you, then definitely you will be losing money, or you will be losing interest, because that mentor may not give you time. So whenever you are choosing mentor in this online space, Just please remember, choose a mentor just 1 or 2 steps ahead than you, not the 10 steps ahead than you. Okay. Okay, so now exciting offer I am just sharing. So it is only for 3 people, I mean 3 members who are joining. So this is, you can say, fast action bonus. So if you join this one funnel away challenge using my link, and this is only applicable for 3 action takers, you will get .com secrets, expert secrets, and traffic secrets, all 3 books, if you join using my one funnel away challenge or OFA challenge link. And my affiliate link is in the bio section. In the bio section, I have created one link tree. In that, you will see one funnel away challenge link. Please go and join, and only 3 members or 3 first fast action trackers will get these 3 books. And if you don't know the value of 3 books, it has, if you talk about the knowledge it has, you can go and check in YouTube, you can go and Google how these books has changed the life and the mindset of the entrepreneurs, right? And if you talk about the monetary value, if you are from India, you will get each book in $20. So you can say like 20 20 20 $60 of 10, I mean, you can say like something physical you are getting like $60 of worth. These book are in price, right? So you will be getting your OFA only for $40, right? So please take action fast and join using my link. And once you join using my link, just take the screenshot and just DM me, so that I will give this offer to you. And one more thing, which is very important, as you know that one funnel away challenge comes with 100% money back guarantee. So you can claim your money back within 30 days if you really don't find it usable for you. So these bonuses, whatever is there, like books, you will get after 30 days of joining. Because then suppose if I give you a starting and you will get your refund, then definitely it is not worth for me, right? So you will get all these 3 books after 30 days of joining challenge. So please take your action fast. Apart from that, what you will get if you join using my link, you will get those bonuses like my personal support for OFA weekly call. So if you're stuck in OFA, you will get my personal support weekly call I'll provide you. This is invaluable, right? Because I have learned a lot of things during my journey, and from my mentors I have spent thousands of dollars. So you will get all those experience knowledge from me if you join OFA using my link. Like again, it will be only for first 3 members. Again, as I said, like .com secrets, expert secrets, and traffic secret books, you will get access of my FB group. You will also get 30 days video notes from OFA. Like whatever I have done, I have already created video, you will get the package. And you will get Russell Brunson traffic secret book. So it's not traffic secret interview, where Russell will talk about the secrets of like how you can create traffic. He has an interview, and the value of this is $97. Apart from that, the last bonus you will get from my side is like ClickFunnels video training course. So how you can use ClickFunnels software, that video training course you will get from my side. So guys, all those bonuses will be worth more than, you can say, like $4,000, which you are getting if you are joining using my link. So this is all I wanted to share with you today. I hope you have got some value from this Facebook live. And again, if you have any question, you can put in a comment section. And if you are joining using my link, please just take a screenshot and or just DM me, so that I can secure your bonuses. Okay, so this is it from today, and I'll see you in another live. Till then, take care. Bye.